Mave Registry is a collaborative resource for sharing progress on multiplex assays of variant effect, or Mave. In this section, we're going to take a look at how to browse and add teams. In order to do so, you need an account on the registry. If you don't already have an account, please go ahead and create one before you proceed. Check this tutorial if you have any problem creating an account. Let's head to the team view by clicking the Teams link on the navigation bar. On the team page, you can register a new team, filter existing teams by the principal investigator's name, and view associated projects and follow a team to gain access to the team details and update notifications. To view team detail, simply click the principal investigator's name. On the team detail page, you can see the basic information, people, as well as projects associated with the team. Similar to what we have covered previously for projects, you can follow a team to receive update alerts. Please note, in order to receive updates for projects associated with the team, you will need to follow these projects individually. By following a team, you receive updates when the information about the team is changed and also when projects are added to or removed from the team. Again, you may also request edit permission on the team. Next, let's create a new team by clicking the New Team button. You are prompted to enter some basic information about the principal investigator of the team. Please note, information entered here is kept separate from any user accounts, so you don't have to worry about creating a new account for principal investigator. Click Add Team to proceed. As the team owner, you can edit the team, review the follow and edit requests, manage followers, transfer team ownership, and delete the team. Please note, when someone requests to follow your team, you will receive an on-site notification and maybe an email notification depending on your email communication setting. On the team detail page, you will see a follower section. Review their request by clicking the Review One Request button. Here, you can review, grant, or reject each request and choose to grant them the additional edit permission. When a request is granted, the requester will receive a notification. Now, because you have followers, you can manage them by clicking the Manage One Follower button. Similar to the Review Request interface, you can modify the follower's permission or remove them from the list. The follower will not be notified should you choose to make changes to their permission or remove them completely. You also have the option of transferring the team ownership to another user. Simply click the Transfer Ownership button to initiate the process. Start typing the new team owner's name and select their profile from the drop-down menu. The recipient will be notified when you submit the transfer ownership request. Please note, once accepted by the recipient, you will lose ownership of this team record. You can delete it by clicking the Delete Team button. To summarize, in this tutorial, we covered the basics on browsing and registering teams. Next, we will take a look at how to browse and nominate targets.